Ex-Ambassadors. Oh, thought I was ready. Pretty cool song. Um, Fairly simple. It's just got the four chords in it, and they're just picking certain notes in the chord. I'm a half step down, so it's you just minus one fret on everything if you're in standard. But this actually is what I'm playing here on my half step down fits the record pretty well. Anyway, so I'm on 2 on my A string and 4 on my B string is where I'm starting. And then I slide up to 4 and 6, and then I go up to 6 and 7. And then you keep the 7 note and you add 4 on your D string. So all together, like I said, if you're on standard guitar, you just subtract 1. So you'd start on 1 instead of 2. For the verse, it's they just go in that first position, they do the second position, and they jump right to the 4th position. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole deal.